Alright guys, hey, welcome back. Well, we're gonna start where we left off. Get all this tar and crap under here removed and see what we're working with. Let's go for it. That's not fun, very dusty. The reason I went ahead and I stripped all underneath around here and I decided to go all the way back to there, see how bad the rust was in this rear quarter. Because I did pick one of these up. I think this is from Wolf something up in Canada, but I bought it from Z Depot, I think it was called. This is okay of a patch. I'm not a big fan of it. The big issue is that it cuts straight off here. It doesn't go around to the rear. I was kind of I guess I saw it on sale. Another thing I got on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So I was like, yeah, it's cheap. I can get to work. I mean, there's not much to it. Pretty much just a bead here, bends up in here. The big thing is getting this arch right. But lining it up wise, does cover all the rust I need up in this area and down to here. Just the back part of the car, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I was debating like, heck, I do see a whole rear quarter once in a while go up on eBay or something, about $350. Don't want to spend that much, but I don't think I need to. I'll figure out how to make the back myself, and no, the rust, nothing seems too bad up in through here, so. I mean, nothing up in here. I see rust up in here, a little bit right in here. That ain't much. It's mostly because of the inner arch well. So now, grinding it all down, got all the crap underneath all done. Now I just gotta figure out how do I want to replace it. I'm still a little iffy about it. I can't really see the spot welds. Let's see, I don't know if the camera's showing me there. The door's open to air out. But I don't see where the spot welds are up in this arch. Oh, this thing's about dying on me. The arch well up and through here where it's spot welds. I know down here they're about 1.5 inches apart, so maybe if I just guess. But I do see the spot welds up and through this side here to tack this off. Just don't know, because like looking underneath, this is where this thing would line up straight on the other side. So pretty much the rust hole goes up right into here, into the inside. So that's right on this side here. Back through here is all good until I get to line this up. Looks like until about here. Yeah, here. So from here to here. And it's too much pain in the butt because everything back there looks good. So the only thing I can think of is go ahead and go up as far up here as I need to, cut that out what I need. Then I'll just cut this to where I need to, and I'll have to butt weld it. I mean, I can be able to see it too well up through there, so I mean, I guess I'm not too worried about that. Just cut this all out, repair this, then figure out how to put this in, and then cut the back off here what I need. I don't want them. Extra steel. That seems like the best way to do it. Now, let's see if I can show you guys this. It's kind of funny. We'll come over here and take a look at this. So a new one, and that's what's left. There was left of it, and I cut it all out with the inner arch well. So there's a few things I'm going to have to do, because I am going to go ahead and replace that whole arch. I mean, let's see. You can see where the markings were. Like that whole tail art was all rusted out on it. So kind of glad I got the whole thing. So this is all trash. Obviously this can't fit up here because up in the arch rail here, I actually cut a line all the way through and down. So what I need to do is line this up, figure out this point here. I'm gonna cut this lip off all the way to where it needs to down this side. Make sure I don't cut this end down here. So that way I can slide this up into it, and then I can scry a line for how much more I have to cut off on this side here. I do need to go and clean this flange up. So once I have this and this put on, I could go ahead and put this in and then put this on top of it because that's how it goes anyways. So I'm not too worried. I will figure that out. It might not look good, but oh well, we'll see. That's why I just keep welding until it works out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in then, clean this flange up, figure out what that is, cut that off, and go from there. All right, guys. Well, I've been working on this for a couple days, really. Haven't had too much time. Everyone knows what's been going on, so work's been fun for me. But I'll show you what I haven't been showing you everything. So I got, this seems to fit in pretty well. I'm having issues, do got a gap in through here. Because these, the rocker and the dog leg do not line up. I just put a rusty door on I had. This is one I wanted to put on, but it is really rusty underneath it. But I was just trying to give me an idea for gapping, try to get close. I can always go back and fix it. But like, I'm really, the way it's lined up, I don't know why. I don't know if I messed up. I got some major gap issues in through here. The back side's up actually higher than, the front side is up higher than the back, so I need to, it's hard to get this to come up. I did put sheet metal screws in it earlier, thought it was perfectly lined up, then this was completely off. So I took it all apart, now I can't go back to get this line up good anymore. The problem is, these just don't match up well. This part here, it goes down, extends it, doesn't allow this to go back all the way. You can see I got, half an inch or more actually right there, gap. So, the only thing I can think is I'm just fitting this up, take this off. I'm gonna cut up on the rocker panel on the inside here, line this way and this way so I can close it. So enough light. You can kind of see. It's rubbing up right here on this one right here. So cut that, I can fold it inward. And I'm thinking that should get this to slide onto it a lot better. I mean, I took them both off the car, laid them on the floor, and they still don't line up really good at all. So I might have to do a little more cuts and slicks, try to bend things around. And at this point, I just gotta get as best as I can. Not a show car, but I want to make it as good as possible. But if it's this way off, I like to say repops, they never fit good anyway. So I'm gonna keep rambling on. I'm just keep working at that. And I'll show you the progress afterwards. right, everyone, catch-up time. I've been doing a lot of different things. Haven't been filming all of it because it's been a pain getting this to fit. Been having a lot of issues with my camera, not able to, I don't know, it's like recording for a while and stops. Hopefully, did you stop? Okay, no, it's still recording. I don't know if it's a sensor or something. I'm not quite sure. It's driving me insane. But let me go over what I have done. So this was fitting really bad. Couldn't get anything close to it. So what I did was actually, this was still not as good as I thought I had it. I still need to play around with it up through here. But I put a slit into here so I'd be able to push this back against the wall. And then on the rocker, actually, I went ahead and I cut this and I pushed it inward a little bit. You kind of see it has a little dip to it. And I just went and welded that back up. Now I have a gap though right there, but I still got some fitting to do with that. But I think I have it. I went out and I ordered Pinkos? I forget what these things are called. Try to give me better alignment. It seemed to help. I got a lot closer with alignment, not as much at the top now. So I'm very happy with actually how this is fitting. Let's see. The door's not on completely straight, but biggest thing is the bottom is I care about is this gap here. Let's see this. I need to be able to lift this up. So I don't know if I need to put a cut down here and try to lift it, but I think that's going to probably the best I'm going to get. I get a little bit massaging it through here, but I mean, this, like, there's a bend right in here. Sorry for my seeing this leg. Pretty much goes into this bend here. So I don't know. This is just lower, but I think it's going to fit the door a lot. Got a nice, good, tight fit in the front there. Now I'm waiting for some sealer to come in because I wanted to seal the rocker panel. Then either I'm going to spot weld it or plug weld it. I'm still debating. And I mean, it's a lot of welds just to go through and plug weld, and I'm gonna probably make a mess. Oh, I also went through in here and welded those holes up there. So once that's in this one, I make a patch for it inside there. But that was just annoying me having that hole there. I need to learn to finish what I started before I go on, because I'm gonna forget. And I got a lot of things coming up for this. Ordered some parts, so I need to get on the ball. So I'm trying to get this video out as quick as possible because I know a lot of people are at home bored. Me, I'm not lucky like that. Well, actually, no, I am lucky. I'm still working, so I shouldn't take that for granted. But yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here and then show me welding this in, because this is a long video. I got a lot of editing to do. So, all right, guys. Well, you know, if you guys like what you're seeing, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what I'm doing. See if this looks like the right way before I go and weld this all in. So once I got this done, then I'm going back up to the front and I'm going to work on the floorboard, and then the floorboard in through there and there. Now I'm rambling. So you know, guys, hey, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what's going on. Appreciate it. Stay safe.